Alrighty guys, today we're going to be putting together the Mainstays Alexandra Square 3-piece patio bistro set. Doesn't matter that it's gray in color, but this one's gray in color. Anyway, with these, first thing you want to do is unbox everything, right? And these Walmart ones, they come with this nice little tool in here that makes things super easy. But it does stick to the plastic, right? And I broke it. And I got a ball bearing out. Yeah, I broke it because it's stuck to the plastic. It's okay, if you don't break yours, they make it super easy to put everything together. But if you do break yours, it's alright, because I did not intend to use this anyway. You see the bit that comes with it? See, take the bit out of your driver, pop their bit in there. Can't get much more easy than that. Alright, we're going to do the table part first, which needs the bullets that they're calling BB. And you're going to need, I believe, 8 of those. And of course, these also stick to the plastic. Everything in here sticks to the plastic. There's some extra hardware there. The rest is going to go for the chair. Or the chairs. Alright, so you need your square piece, and of course your glass tabletop. I got that buried in there. Alright. Now for this, it's real simple. You're going to put one of these in each corner. So we need 4 DDs, what they're calling DD. It's going to be these smaller screws. And again, sticks to the plastic, right? Okay. Take your bit out. We'll use that here in a minute. Put your little screwdriver part in. And, okay. Again, bracket towards the inside. This slides right inside that corner there. And of course you're going to do that with all 4 of these. Oh, I guess we didn't need to change the bit. I thought we needed to do something else first. There we go. Okay. We're going to hold off on those screws because those are going to make it nice. Okay. Now from here, you're going to take your BBs. Now there's 2 holes on each one of these brackets, and there's 2 holes in each one of the corners of this square piece. So that's why you leave everything loose to start. That's why we're not tightening in those legs yet. Line them all up. Then you can start putting in your screws, or your bolts. Now I wouldn't tighten them yet. I would just leave them loose. Because you're going to have to move some things around here in a minute, and you don't want them to be tight. Yep, we got it started. Okay, with those started, change out your bit. This time we're doing the right one. We're doing the what I wanted to do first. Alright, you're going to take each leg individually. You're going to pull it slightly out so you can see that the holes line up. Then you're going to put those screws, those ones are labeled DD. You're going to put those in each of these four corners just to hold that in, right? And you can go ahead and tighten these. Once they're in there, alright, and with that in, get back to your texture. Oopsie. Little too much on that one. Alright. Now just go back in here and tighten each one of these legs. Everything should be lined up now and good to go. That's supposed to lock in there, but it didn't lock. Okay, your table's done. You can take the stickers off if you want, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to take this off. Not yet. I mean, I will later, but right now. I'll go ahead and grab that glass just to be a little safe here. Flip her over, and there you can see the table's done. I can take that out to the porch. Nice. Still got the chairs to do though. Alrighty guys, now we're going to put the chairs together. A little more in depth on this one, right? A little bit more to do. Not a whole lot. The table's easy. Alright, so to start off, you need, what's the part number, CC? Okay, so you need the chair back. I'm not even sure what I'm looking at here. Okay, the chair back and then the chair seat. Which, I mean, the chair back's your biggest part. The chair seat's the one with the cloth thing underneath. So not that difficult to figure out. And then you need bolt number CC, or what they're calling CC. That's going to be the long bolt that is in the packet. And there's only 4 of those. There's all 4. Alrighty, and then this does not go like this. This goes like this. Oh yeah, sticker on the bottom, right? Alright, so just slide those 2 holes into those pegs. Nice and simple. Then you're going to take 2 of your CCs. You got to flip this to where you can see. Kind of hold that together there. And put your CCs in. We're just going to go a little tightish. I'm not going to tighten it yet. Just going to get it in there. That way we can still move it around if need be, because sometimes those arms are tricky to get on if you over tighten stuff from the start. So you need things to be a little loose. That way things can move around. Actually, this ain't going to matter, is it? Because that is already going to hold it there tight. Oopsie, I didn't. 1 minute. There we go. We'll go ahead and tighten those. I'm sorry. Those are not going to matter much. Alright, so we got that done with that one. Next thing you need is you need a part B and a part A. Of which I kind of, oopsie, have things all whopper jawed over here. Alright, part B and part A. Now you're going to need the bolt AA, and I'm not sure how many of them there are. says we need 6 of them. So that's 6 of them per chair. So that's 3 for the left and 3 for the right. These are color coded with a little band around them when they come in the box. I did not pay attention to that. Let's see. This is going to be the leg down here. So we need to turn this around. There we go. And let's see, which side is this one going on? This one's going on this side. So as you can see, you have a hole here, and thing in there, okay? So that's basically what we're going to do, is we're going to put that right up to there, so that those can line in, and then these 2 holes are right here on the front, you know, are right here on the sides. So go ahead and now this you definitely want to start loosely. And this would be a lot easier if I had a nice big table to work on, but I don't. I mean, I do. It's just got tools all over it. Now your instinct is going to just be go right in there and tack it down real nice and tight with the with your wrench or with your driver, but that is not your best option, because if you tack it down nice and tight, you'll never get things to line up. Of which I'm already having that problem. Huh. I guess maybe these did move just enough. If we loosen those other ones up for that seat. I thought it wouldn't have mattered. But even an inch helps, right? There, yeah. Alright, don't listen to me. Leave those bottom ones loose. Or those back ones loose for the seat in the chair. Or the seat in the back. Oopsie. And always make sure you get in the threaded right. Okay, so we're leaving all those loose still. Flip her over here. And again, your hand goes here on this, so that's the back. And as always, if you're not familiar with power tools, don't crank it the torque setting all the way up to get it done. No, leave that torque setting down. That way, if you misthread something, just like I just did right there. Oops, did it again. Is that they just don't. There we go. Alright, now that everything's started, go ahead and tighten them all down. just got the, I think I already got that one over there. We'll hit it again. Actually, we'll hit them all again just to make sure, right? There you go. You've got your chair done. Time to hit the next one. And I think it don't take very long. Not very long at all. That's how you put it together. Bye. Alright guys, I'm sorry. Both chairs are done. And I forgot to put the cushions on them. Now there's Velcro straps right here on the cushions. So of course, you just undo the Velcro. Right? Not hard at all. And then of course Velcro is going to go to the back of the chair. So slide it in back and bottom. No Velcro on the front, which kind of surprised. So it's your call on what you want to do as far as if you want to put it over the bottom, which would be fine, or you could try to stretch it over the back, which would also be fine. I'm going to do it over the back. Because I think that has a better fit. Easier to grab a hold of and easier to pull tight. That's all there is to the chairs. Sheet ready to use.